How to reset and format your iPad Air 2025 back to default settings. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings here on the left hand side, you want to tap on General. Then we go to the right hand side panel. In here, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. After that, tap on Erase all content and settings. Then tap on Continued. Then tap on Erase iPad. Now, if you have signed into your Apple account, then you need to sign out or log out of your Apple account before you can fully reset and reformat your iPad Air 2025. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Once it is fully resetted, you can go ahead and set up your iPad again, or it is now ready for resale.